IMAT 2020 is essentially going to be the renewal of a previous ASM conference experience that used to be known as Materials Week. ASM used to be able to gather, and this is in the 80s and the 90s, I'm told by veterans of ASM, upwards to 10,000 materials scientists, engineers, technicians, and business people in an all ASM conference that would last a week. In IMAT 2020, we're recreating the Materials Week experience, albeit in a 21st century metaphor. Strong technical sessions that traditionally mark ASM industry conferences with new context, particularly in terms of advanced materials, their applications and processes, as well as their economics. We're going to take a focus on the returns on investment for deploying new technologies, particularly in the areas of integrated computational materials engineering, which is a brand new market space for not only ASM, but for all of the materials environment. We believe that attendees at IMAT 2020 will come away with two basic assets. One will be the freshest view of the breadth of both technical and market requirements for advancing materials, their applications and process, but also a view of the economics of investing in these types of advances. And we think that balance of both the technical side and an emerging emphasis on the business side, sort of a balance, will really provide a fresh context to IMAT 2020.